Take out all parts from the package. These are the accessories for a complete bike. Please prepare a screwdriver for yourself. The first step is to set up front wheel. Loose the screw a little. Rotate the stem to the front. Loose 4 screws, remove the cap, and put handlebar in between. Fix the 4 screws back, but don't tighten up entirely. Align the cross line on the handle with the center of the handle vertical cover. Screw them up in order. Refer to video. Loose nuts on the both side and remove the front fork protector. Unscrew the nuts and washers with hooks on the front wheels. Install the front wheel into the front fork, and the disc brake disc is clamped into the disc brake caliper. Install the gasket with hook first, and then tighten the nut. Step 2. Assemble the seat. Insert the saddle tube into the saddle and tighten the saddle screws. Insert the saddle tube into the seat tube, exceeding the minimum safety mark. Then tighten the seat quick release. Step 3. Assemble the pedal. First determine the left and right of the pedal. The one with A written on it is the right pedal and the one with L written on it is the left pedal. Insert the pedal into the hole on the crank, and rotate the pedal toward the front end. Then use a wrench to tighten both sides of the pedals or over the head position screw. Step 4. Installation of accessories. The front reflector is white, and the rear reflector is red. First, the reflector and the plastic ring are combined, and then installed on the handle. The rear reflector is installed on the saddle tube. Fix the front fender on the front fork with screws and nuts. First unscrew the screws on the rear fender, and then install the rear fender on the saddle tube and tighten it. The rear fender angle can be adjusted through the nut. Finally, after adjusting the lower handle and the front wheel to be perpendicular to each other, tighten the handle screw. The installation is now complete. If there are still questions, please contact us.